For your safety, please remain seated and keep your arms.
Right, so here we go on flip-flop. It's a Fabbri gyro swing. It looks like a flip-flop and it smells like one too. So, yeah, riding it while having a smell of onions. Lovely. Anyway, let's take a ride. Swing your leg, swing your leg, swing. You won't be able to see that now, actually. Right, here we go. This used to be really good. It's been toned down somewhat, but it's still fun. Indeed. Nice little pops of air time at the top there. I think Flamingo Land, it's time to get short putting into it, John. What do you reckon? Or KO the whole area and redevelop it. Just a thought. Well, at least you get a long cycle on it though. I'll tell you something, it's that relaxing I could fall asleep right now.
I definitely needed them to end.
Yeah, that was quite a decent length actually. Anyway, there you go, flip-flop. Fun little ride, but it's had its day in my opinion. Anyway, there you go.